sa may kan.
Hi friends, so I was just training and we got back home and then my tito brought some pizza.
Thank you, Tito
Thank you,
Nen.
Tita Nen. We
Sa
just
duha ka
came home from
pizzas.
training.
Mana yung snack?
Yeah, because
Oh.
I'm hungry.
Hungry kasi sa gikas training. Ay. Uy, slowly ha.
Hindi ka meron.
Oh. Yummy.
Mommy and Nanay, have you eaten this?
Na, kining usa. Wala ki saging na ito.
Look, the pizza is triangle, the ham is triangle.
Gutom gikan og kuan training.
Yummy.
Yung kanon, di ko na.
Man. Para pen. It's okay lang.
There's blood. That's yummy.
Thank you, Tito Nini. It's a treat. It's a pizza.
And then came home, I was very shocked because there was pizza
Yummy pizza.
with fries.
And then, thank you, Tito
Thank you,
Del
Tito
sa...
Del, for the sweets.
Ay, mo na lang din habilin. Yummy kaayo. Kapalangga ni Tito, no?
They left some for me.
Misa kay mo hair gang gikan ka sa training.
Do you want me to look pretty? Okay. Now I'm pretty.
Magpunta man sa nanay. Kita na siya. Volleyball.
Thank you, Tito Nen.
No, Ninoy. Okay, ayaw ka balik ko ng
Oh,
kuan.
this best.
Ah, doon man ka pizza. Ah, dapat di safety. Kantito niyan, kantito din.
Gani.
The best.
Kanunin.
Babay love. Ako sa dikaot sa kusa.
Let me do it for you.
It's okay. Bye. Kapital. Si Babay Love.
Bye-bye.